Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. So on today's video I'm gonna show you how to use a sleep timer feature on Spotify. Some of you may have a habit of listening to music to help you sleep, and in this video I'm gonna show you a sleep timer option on the Spotify app that might come in handy to save your phone batteries and prevents the app to play songs all night long. So what you need to do, first you need to open the Spotify app, and once you're open the app, start playing your song. For example, I'm playing this song, and then once you're on the now playing screen, tap on the three dot icon on the upper right corner, and then scroll down and select sleep timer. Here you can choose a duration that you prefer. For example, I'm gonna choose 30 minutes, and the music will automatically stop at the chosen duration. So I think it's easy to do, and it might help you to save your phone batteries. Okay, I think that's all from me. I hope this will help, and don't forget to click that thumbs up button, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.